Hi, this is Peter Lieber from EIM International. I'm here to show you our Smart DocID for iManage. EIM International has been a long-time partner of iManage, and we are showing our footer because we've had the demand from our clients to be able to customize and control their document footers. That's the genesis of our Smart DocID. So let me dive right in. I have a document here without a footer, and I am going to add in the document into iManage, and I will automatically get the document footer, which is a preset setting. If I didn't want it automatically, I could do that as well. But just by saving the document and putting in certain options in our configuration file in advance, we've now developed the ability to automatically put in the items that you want to put in and not other ones. So you can see here we have the document ID and version, for instance. That might be your preference. And what is smart about it is that we coexist with existing document footers. So we don't want to destroy anything that is already there. We don't want to hurt what you've already done in your documents. We want to make sure that we coexist favorably. We're good to work with. So we can see that we have this footer on multiple pages, but if we have multiple styles, such as different first page, we're aware of that. We're smart about that, and we will not try to insert the footer on all pages reflecting your desires and controls. You have the ability to set things like the location of the footer, the font, the size. All those items are customizable for you in advance when you're first creating and editing your documents. That's it. So please visit our website if you'd like further information, and thank you for watching.